Hey swing trading family, this is Super Swing Trader. I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand zones and trade it for income. Before I do, if you're new to this channel, here I talk about swing trading using the rules of supply and demand and technical analysis to trade with the big banks, hedge fund managers, and professional traders, and not against them. If that's something you're interested in, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know, have you guys placed any trades and have you made any money with swing trading using supply and demand yet? Comment below yes if you have and no if you haven't. I really appreciate your comments because it helps me tailor my content to best serve you. Apart from that, let's get right to evaluating the charts. Okay, let's analyze Dish Network Corporation. It's a US stock. Ticker symbol is DISH. It's in the news recently, so let's take a look at it, see what we can find out. But before I get started, I get a lot of questions about my charting software. The charting software I use is called TradingView. It is a web-based charting platform, so that means that you can access your charts anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. You don't have to install any third-party programs or browser extensions to access your charts. If you upgrade to the Pro features, you can split your charts into 2 or more charts at the same time, like the way I do here. That way you can do your top-down analysis faster and go through all your Forex and start charts faster, saving time on switching through monthly, weekly, or daily charts. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. On the left-hand corner here, every candle is 1 week. In this box, every candle is 1 month. And on this top box, every candle is 3 months. It's a very long-term charting that I'm doing, long-term trades that I'm doing, just because long-term trades is where all the investors and all the big banks and institutions are trading. As you can see, there's a large buying area here, a large time frame where people have been buying and where hedge funds are buying. So that's where I want to buy, is with the big banks and hedge fund managers. Let's take a look at the 3-month chart first and do a top-down analysis. Let's do a trend line. It made two peaks here, so we can do a trend line. Let's see. This is the first peak. Oops. Sorry, drawing so bad. Okay, so made 1 peak and then made another peak with this leg is bigger or lower than this leg, so we can do the peak. So that's what the peak is. So once you have once you identify the 2 peaks, then you can draw the trend line. So this is the trend line, and as you can see, price dropped and then it's forming some bullish candles, but we don't know if it's going to keep going up or if it's going to dip down, because there's really no demand zone here at all. Let's take a look at the 6 month. So looks like the 6 month, I mean, this could be demand because demand could be right here and down here, just because this is the start of this rally, so that's demand. And this one is demand because if you look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 6-month candles that's been rallying. So yeah, it is in the demand zone if you look on higher time frames. But on the 3 months, these are the demand zones just because it's within that 6 months. So yeah, this is why price is rallying. And we can draw on the monthly, we can draw a trend line. So this is the trend line. So it's obviously down. Or else you can even draw a more aggressive trend line, which is here. Okay, so that's the trend line because it's drop, rally, base drop, and so it did rally a little bit here and then it dropped, so that is the trend line. So the 3 months is down, but higher time frame demand zones are in control. And the monthly, we see that trend line has been broken. And then the 1 week, we have very poor price action, but obviously the trend line's been broken. I mean, it doesn't have to start all the way on top here. We could draw 2 valleys here. We have 1 and 2, so that's the trend line. And so yeah, demand zone is down here. And let's see if there's any supply. Let's see. I would say that so it dropped, and then this is demand. That's why price dropped and then rallied, and then it dropped again. So I would say that demand, or I'm sorry, supply is right here. So then this is demand. That's demand, and the trend is an uptrend. Okay, so it looks kind of confusing, but that's what we have on the weekly. Very poor price action, but yes, this is demand. This is demand, but it's been tested, and this on the weekly is demand. It's a very wide body demand zone, so I'm just going to take half of it. Okay, so that's what we have. We have 3 months down, but we can't go short because it's within a 6 month demand zone. Show you again. And to have these longer time frame, 3 months and 6 months charting through this platform, you have to have the pro features. If you're interested in joining and having the same charting as I do, please use my link in the description below. And you can have like a free 2-week trial period of having the pro features using my link. Okay, so let's go back to, we know the 6 month is in it's 6 months demand zone and control. The 3 month, like it or not, it's what's within that demand zone, but this price action is really poor, so we don't see it. But price is in a 6 month demand zone, so we cannot go short on any of our time frame. On the 1 month, price broke the trend line and rallied, and then the 1 week or the weekly chart, it broke the trend line here, and then it created a new demand zone. Price dropped to it and rallied. So that's what we have. As you can see, we have a lot of room to the supply zone up here on the 3 month and also on the 1 month. So if price if price makes really good, if price shows really good price action, we can definitely go long. If price does this, then we can buy right here. We can buy at this zone. So that's what we're looking for, and that's the analysis on Dish Network Corporation, ticker symbol DISH. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button and also click that little bell icon. Then that way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.